How to turn off Snapchat map. Open Snapchat application. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at top left corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top. You can access the settings. You can turn off the map by simply turning on the ghost mode. For that, scroll down. Under the section for privacy controls, tap on the option See My Location. Toggle on the option for ghost mode that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option for either 3 hours, 24 hours or until turned off. You can tap on the option of your choice. Now the ghost mode has been enabled. That means your map has been turned off for your friends. Your friends will no longer be able to see your location. Like this, you can turn off map on Snapchat. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.